Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn immediate family members. These are the closest people in your family: mother, father, sister, brother, parents, and siblings. These 6 words help you talk about family every day. Mother means the female parent. She gives birth to children and cares for the family. Father means the male parent. He protects and supports the family. Both mother and father together make parents. Sister means female sibling. She shares the same parents with you. Brother means male sibling. He also shares the same parents. All sisters and brothers together make siblings. Parents means mother plus father together. Use this word when talking about both. Siblings means sister or sisters plus brother or brothers. Use this for all brothers and sisters. Parents are at the top of immediate family. From parents comes sister and brother. Together, they make the complete immediate family. This shows how family members connect. Mother sounds like mud dare. The first sound is short U like in mud. Father sounds like father. The first sound is long alike in father. Practice these sounds slowly. Who is your mother? My father is very kind. She has 2 sisters. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. Repeat these sentences to practice family vocabulary. Remember these 6 core words: mother, father, sister, brother, parents, siblings. Use them in daily conversations. Practice pronunciation every day. This builds strong English foundation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.